How to book an appointment for RBC Bank in 2025. So this is a quick and easy tutorial. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the official RBC website at rbcroyalbank.com, or you can open the RBC mobile app. Step 2. Log into your online banking account with your client card number or username and password. If you don't have one yet, you will need to register first. Step 3. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Book an Appointment section. On the website, you will usually find it at the top menu or under the Help and Support. Step 4. Select the type of appointment that you will need, whether it's for opening an account, applying for a loan, mortgage consultation, or investment advice. Step 5. Choose whether you want an in-branch appointment or a phone or virtual meeting. Step 6. Pick your preferred branch location and select a date and time that works for you. Step 7. Confirm your booking. You will receive an email or SMS confirmation with all the details. So, if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.